Hi guys, in today's video we are going to paint this beautiful fireworks painting in simple 4 steps. So without any delay, let's get started. Now let's see the equipments of this painting. First step, we are going to cover the background. So I have chosen the two colors primary blue and black. I am going to apply the color primary blue all over the top of the canvas. So we are having the gradation of blue from black. So in the middle we are going to mix the blue and black, and in the bottom we are having the only color black. So I am going to have this gradation of blue from blue to black. So I'm using my makeup brush here. If you don't have any makeup brush, then you can use any larger flat brush. Now it's time to paint the background light effect. To paint the background light effect, all we need to do is paint a circle with the blurry edges. So I'm painting a circle and wipe off the excessive paint from my brush, and again I blend the colors to the background. So now it's ready, and I'm going to paint variety of multicolor background light effects to make this painting more aesthetic. Now I am mixing up the color yellow and red to have the color orange, and I am going to paint the background light effect in multicolor. So I need some colors like orange, red and yellow. I am just repeating the process again and again. It takes some time, but I like to paint the background light effect because it makes the painting even more beautiful. I literally love this, so you have to take some time and enjoy the process, and I'm damn sure you will also like this. As we need to paint some small background light effect, I am using my detailing brush to paint the small circles. Now let's paint the sparkler. So I am going to paint the stick first. So I am using the color orange to paint the stick. I am here painting the sparkler with my detailing brush, as we need a very tiny line. So I am using my detailing brush. Here I am using my makeup brush to create the smoky effect. So I am using my makeup brush. If you don't have makeup brush, then use any larger rounder brush or flat brush to create the smoky effect. Now I am adding some highlights in the stick. So I am using the color yellow, mixing up the yellow with the white. I am giving some highlight. So I am using my detailing brush to have this minute highlights in the stick. I am applying the white color on the base of red to make the sparkling effect. So all we need to do is paint some block of white color, and I am painting some sparkles that come out of the flame. So I am painting some sparkles here using my white color and using my detailing brush, and it takes some time to have this detail and enjoy the process. We need to paint some long strokes as some of the sparkles comes out of the flame, and I am painting some sparkle effect here. I am using only my detailing brush to paint these tiny lines. If you find my tutorials are very useful and it is very pleasing to watch, then please subscribe my channel. Also follow me in my Instagram to know all the regular updates. Now I'm applying the yellow color on the top of the white color to create the smoky effect. Also we need some vibrant yellow as we paint the flame, so the yellow must be little vibrant. So I am applying the white for the base, and now I am applying the yellow for the vibrancy, and it perfectly works in this painting. Once we finish this sparkler, let's paint the hand. So I'm mixing up the color yellow ochre with red to have this pinky skin tone, and I'm applying the color here, and I already drew the rough sketch using my pencil. So I'm now filling the color inside the outscape. If you are interested in watching the fireworks painting or fire painting, I hope you will like all my paintings in the fire painting playlist, and if you are interested, please check the paintings in my playlist. Now I am painting the dark shade of the skin, so I am mixing up the color burnt sienna and yellow ochre to have this dark brown shade. In this whole hand painting, I am using only three colors: a mild color for the base, and a darker color for the shadow part, and a lighter color for the highlight. So for the highlights, I am mixing the yellow ochre with white and little bit of yellow to have a vibrancy, and the color I am using for highlight. Also I am going to add another highlight, that is the light from the fireworks. For that I am using the color yellow mixing up with white to have a very vibrant reflected light from the sparkler. After 3 hours of painting, we finally finished this beautiful sparkler painting, and I love this painting so much. And let me know in this comment section how much you like this painting. I will meet you guys with another beautiful painting. Until then, have fun with colors.